Hey everybody, this is me Kuber and today we're gonna make a boss in our FPS micro game. So let's get started here. As you can see, this enemy boss I have named, and guys, I have also added the snaps prototype. You can check it on the assets too here. So guys, the boss should have one thing, is that maximum health than any other enemies. So here I have kept it as 900. We can also keep it as 1000 or 5000, and its critical health ratio should be 1, because when we hit the boss, how much damage should he have? So of course he should have less damage than any other enemies. So here in the actor script, affiliation, text direction, and in the detection module, here enemy boss detection module, attack range should be 89 and known target timeout 89. Detection should be 89, and here, so health bar pivot and turret robot. So here we have it all. Now all we need to do is sit back and just watch that if it is working or not. And guys, I have also added a flow to my game. So after the main scene, it will come to secondary scene if we want. So here, in my last video, I told you how to make this gun, how to add new guns. I think you can't hear my voice. No, you can't hear the game voice. So here I've added these guns and the sniper rifle. You know they the Unity ones give us the sniper rifle. I added my own projectiles. In my last video, I think I also told you how to make projectiles. See, I've added that laser green color material, and now here the robot will be destroyed. So now here we also saw that our gun is working or not, and it was working perfectly. So we had not any stress, and now here we can go. Here I have added these loot items. In this guys, I have also added a level with snaps prototype, and here, so now in my next video I will tell you how to make a whole level, because now we know how to add guns, how to add new weapons, how to make boss. Now the only thing we need to do is decorate our level and add every single thing like the player, the boss, and its guardians. I've also made the boss guardians. I just added the turrets and I just colored them with gold and silver. So here we have made, and now here we will add this. So I also told you which one I crafted first. So you might have seen that. See, here it is. Actually, I have added more ammo, and in bullets per shot, I have added like 15 or something. So that's why in one shot it shoots 15 bullets at once. So that's why this might be happening. And here is our boss. It has already detected us. See, our health is also low. And here the boss has defeated us. So here now I will really show you how to make a real boss. Now this is my second level here. Now I will delete this boss and I will create a new boss in front of you. So FPS, prefabs, and here enemies. We will craft that boss in enemies only. So this is the fly robot. I took it for making the real boss, but it was not working. So guys, and if you want to make a small turret, but it should be hidden, not like this one, but this one. It's like an illusion turret, but it is real. The only thing we need to do is add the glass clear material in there, so it will be like a camouflage or something. Yeah, camouflage, kind of. So here, if you can see, I will just delete this turret, and if we want, we can also add a hoverbot as an asset. And here we will add this. Now I will show you the hoverbot. Just wait. I will totally delete this enemy boss. And now I will add an enemy boss in front of you. So this is my last enemy boss. Actually, not last one. In my first level, this was the enemy boss. And we can also change these guardians. We can make them as hoverbots if we like. So here now first we will create a empty game object. We'll let it out from the floor, and game object will create it as enemy boss here. Now we will simply drag and drop it to our enemies. Right click, double left click, and here we'll add this turret. Now here we have it. Wow, why is this turret so much? Oh god. Its scale is perfect then also. So that means that there is something wrong in our enemy. So we'll try to add hoverbot. Where is our hoverbot? Yeah, here. We will just change its scale and make it bigger. Oh my. Okay. 3, 2. See? Now the only thing we need to do is is to work on inspector. And can you see? Its width is, yeah, its width changed and it was really big. So now we will also add a hat if we want. So here and here all we need to do in here is hoverboard I, and we will check in health script. Here we will add its health as first in the enemy. No. So guys, here we have made a mistake again. First now here enemy boss delete. We will add a turret. That's the best option. So first we will just duplicate this enemy turret. Name it as enemy boss. Here we have it. So, and here we will change its size. So we'll keep it as 9, 9 and 9. And here, now we will take its attack range. So here, this particle system, weapon machine gun. Here. So here, ammo parameters, reload rate infinity, max ammo should be 900. Here, oh, projectile turret, projectile base, gun muzzle, gun root, weapon machine gun. Okay, crosshair, no. Now here shoot parameter automatic, recoil force, aim zoom ratio, aim offset, and this its reload rate we will lesser its reload rate to 8. Or we can also keep it as 2. This enemy boss. Here the weapon gun, max charge duration. Yup. And if we really want to see what's going on or what's happening in this, so we can just change its size back again to normal, like 4, so that we can really see that if it is working or not. And we will also change its color, so we will keep it as purple. So in mod assets, materials, custom materials, new material, we will name it as purple. And here we will again create another material. So material, and we will color it in red. Yeah, this basic red is a bit dark, so that's why we will name it as red. And here we have it. So we can also add this like purple, red, and here like basic black. Here I have an idea. Let's keep a black here. Yeah. And in its pivot we will give it as basic blue. Nah. So if we want, we will keep it as, yep, this might work. Metal silver. No, of course not. Basic black's great. So now we will just try it. Oh, you should go. And here in FPS, prefabs, enemies, enemy boss. Here it is. Oh wait. Okay, enemy turret. Yeah, totally fine. So now, yes, we forgot one thing to do. Its max health should be, we'll keep it as 5000. Yep. Now, its critical health ratio should be less, so like 1. And now we will try it. Actually guys, in my last level as level 1, there was a problem or there was an error in which I made the boss, but then it was showing that you have destroyed it and now you are only trying to access it. So and then my game wasn't finishing. So that was the problem. Then I again deleted that boss and I added a simple normal boss. That time it was working. So now we have to complete the game to reach the boss. We have to also cross these guys. So I will take the sniper rifle. And here, now again with our magnetic wave projector. Guys, if you like my videos, you can subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to all so that whenever I add a new video, you can check it. So here, so now here I have added new loot items. Now first we need to pass these guardians. I hate these guys. Yep, it's destroyed. Finally it is destroyed. Oh, how did my health go off? I am here, boss. See? I died in some seconds. So now we can change its size and we will make it just little bigger, like 6 is best. Yep, 6 or 7, but 6 is still low, so 7 or 8. Yep, 8 is best, not more than 8. And guys, here I have added that snaps prototype level. It's a default level. So here I just matched them, and here I added this illusion turret. So that means whenever I am adding it, these turrets we cannot see them because the glass material is not letting us to see them properly. They have kind of camouflage. So now, and these are normal turrets. There's nothing to do in their inspector also. All we need to do in their inspector is lesser their heights like 1, and then we need to add the clear glass material, which is you can find it in mod assets custom materials. If you see here, this color, glass clear. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and in the next video I will show you how to make a level. Thank you.